Hundreds of people showed up at UC San Diego to stand up for science. The rally was one of dozens happening across the country. ABC 10 News reporter Danny Miskell has been following potential cuts to local research programs. And tonight, she follows through with how it could impact one of San Diego's biggest industries.
Our students and our postdocs and our junior faculty were really concerned about how they're going to survive.
The fear of the future of science was palpable at this rally Friday. Students and faculty are unsure of how actions in Washington will directly impact them. This rally was meant to help the local science community not feel alone. The Stand Up for Science rally comes as agencies like the National Institutes of Health, the Science Foundation, and others are preparing to have millions of federal dollars cut from their research programs. It's going to affect institutions like UC San Diego.
Science is going to be hurt by these funding cuts, but also patients.
Leanna Rosito is a biomedical PhD student studying Alzheimer's disease at UCSD. Leanna says with DEI cuts on top of the potential cuts to funding, she's worried about underserved communities never having a chance to beat the disease.
Black and Hispanic Americans are more likely to get Alzheimer's disease, but now we are not allowed to say women, Black, or Hispanic in our research.
Leanna was once a patient in a clinical research study that saved her life.
I'm an individual with an undiagnosed autoimmune disorder. NIH funding helped me find a treatment plan that put me in full remission.
Last week, I spoke with Dr. Davey Smith, a professor of medicine at UC San Diego. He also writes the grants for NIH funding at the university.
People are very concerned whether or not they should stay within an academic institution doing basic research, or should they try to jump ship to an industry who might be doing more clinical or translational type research.
And this is what Leanna is afraid of as well. She feels like her future is uncertain. And with possible cuts to grants, Leanna is afraid that the workforce years down the line will see noticeable losses. Meanwhile, the Trump administration says that cuts to those agencies will save billions of dollars. At UC San Diego, Danny Miskell, ABC 10 News.